Today's recipe is a seafood dish. It's made with the black-bean sauce and it's very tasty. This dish pairs well with rice. Stick around and I will show you how to make it. Now let's get started.
Here are the ingredients. The exact amount is in the description box.
Let's start by cutting the onion in half. Then remove the core from the onion. Then roughly cut the onion. Then peel each layer. Now we cut the bell pepper in half and then remove the seed. You can pull it right out like this. Now split it into 3 pieces and cut it the same size as the onions. For the jalapeno, remove the end. Now slice it up. Now let's mix the garlic. Let's start by crushing the garlic. Then start mixing the garlic.
If you like the video, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to help the channel grow.
It's time to cook. Add oil into the hot wok and then add the mussels. I clean them earlier. Cook it for a minute to help remove the fish flavor and take it out. Add more oil in the same wok. Add the black beans, jalapeno, and garlic. Cook to release the fragrance. Then add the bell pepper and onions. Cook everything for a minute. Now add the mussel in. Add the soy sauce. Oyster sauce. And mushroom seasoning. And add the water in. Remove from the heat and it's done.
Wow, looks good. Time for taste test. The mushroom is a little bit chewy and tender. It is savory and tastes a little bit spicy. It's very fragrant from the black bean, jalapeno, and garlic. It's very good, very tasty. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. If you guys like the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day, buddy. 再见。